Kevin, it's feeling more like winter out there, cold and snowy.
Yeah, that's right. Snowy for sure. And it looks like the heaviest snow is going to be centered around Minot, as we've been forecasting here for a couple of days. Everything playing out like we expected, which is always great when a forecast does that. This one certainly has, where the cold air got in place before the snow began to fall in Minot. That's why accumulations will be a little bit higher here. This is not a huge storm by any stretch, but again, it's our first one for many. 24 right now in Minot, 31 in Bismarck, Mandan. Glasgow 35, Sydney at 32, colder east where we got teens in Grand Forks and Fargo. Not a lot of wind, fortunately, so blowing snow not really much of an issue. But honing in on the center of that circulation, this is the cyclone itself, the area of low pressure or a storm system over eastern Montana sliding toward the southeast. Out ahead of that, we've got this instability, this lift in the atmosphere that's coming in from the west, and because of that, encountering that cold air, we've got enhancement towards central North Dakota. This is the band we've been talking about here. We would see Friday night that would give us a majority of the accumulating snow. And that's happening in Minot with some banding going on perhaps, and that's going to elevate or increase the threshold of some pockets of maybe up to 2 inches of snow. Most will have under that, but again, maybe another rather robust band moving through the Minot area right now. And the amounts really do back off a bit back farther toward the west. But everybody's going to see more snow in the form of flurries or snow showers tonight from north to south here. An additional snow forecast. We're looking at still a coating, still some snow showers back through Montana, western North Dakota throughout the overnight into the mid-morning time frame on Saturday. And that blue shade now, again, still around Minot, so another inch, possibly upwards of 2 inches in areas east of Bismarck, between Bismarck and the Jamestown area for the James and portions of the Red River Valley. And we see that whole system again sliding toward the southeast, and again the heaviest band right now over central and north central North Dakota. Watch what happens into the night. Everything kind of sags south here as that cold air continues to filter in. Snow showers will end by mid to late morning here for our Saturday. Sunshine will be on the increase thanks to high pressure nudging everything well to our south. It's just that our highs for the day will be established around midnight here in a couple of hours, because most of our Saturday, despite sun in the afternoon, will be in the low to mid 20s, upper 20s farther toward the south. But look at the chill here for Sunday morning, near 10 degrees. Wind chills around 0 and a lot of sunshine Sunday. It's going to be cold though, again, near that 30-degree mark, or even staying below freezing again, 20s for northern North Dakota. Again, watch that band of snow continue to drift over central and then southern North Dakota. Notice the falling temperatures. Notice the wind direction here northerly between 15 and 25. Could see some gusts 35 miles per hour, especially in those favored locations that are often windier, Sioux County into Corson County. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, Saturday evening, teens already showing up here, 20s elsewhere, with again that low near 10 degrees for Sunday morning. Tomorrow morning, again, we're looking at a chilly start with snow showers, afternoon temperatures. Not so much technically, because this is one of those odd cases where the highs of the day were actually going to be late tonight, like midnight, and then afternoon, colder than the overnight time frame. Look at this though. Next 7 days, we do see a nice reprieve, a recovery in our temps, 40s and 50s next week. Looking great. Just got to get through this.
Thanks, Kevin. We'll be back with sports after this.